much for tuning in. We're gonna do a super quick video update. I apologize for the wind. Our AC might kick on because the AC unit literally is right there. But I just wanted to do a really quick video and update you on all of the dahlia tubers that we planted, the seeds that we had started, and I'm very excited about how things have been going on here. So let me show you and kind of walk you around what's been going on over here. I have been hardening off all of our dahlia tubers. I've got all of our zinnia right there. I have to go in and I'll get the marigolds. Well, here, let's just go grab that real quick. So we've been hardening everything off here. So you can see this is where we've got a couple of our gerbera daisies. We've got the cosmos and the marigolds here. So a lot of this tray did not come up. Most of the daisies and none of my sunflowers came up at all. But that's okay. We still have marigolds. We still have cosmos. Like, the process still worked. So let's go ahead and get this stuff back. And obviously I can reuse a lot of this soil, which is why I haven't taken anything out of there. But let's go ahead and get this with everything else. I'm gonna put these down right here. So I have, over the last week or so, we have been hardening off all of the dahlias. So the ones that are very well established, I'm so excited about it. But we have had these outside for probably about a week. And then some of the smaller ones, like this guy right here, that guy back there, I just brought them out 2 days ago. So this area, and we've been doing a little bit of sunlight, a little bit of putting them under the cover, but still outside. I think they're doing really well. I thinned out all of the zinnias. It was so hard for me because there were 2 or 3, sometimes 4 of the seedlings that had sprouted, and you're supposed to thin them out, which I did. Again, it was very hard for me. I have learned that gardeners are ruthless. So anyways, I went ahead and I thinned them out. They looked wonderful. You can see that I feel like they're a little bit yellow. I think I might have overwatered them at one point. Over the last couple of days, they have looked so much better. So that's where we're at. But I did thin these guys out. I also thinned out all of these as well. And then here I did pinch off several of the tubers, or the dahlias. And so you can kind of see here that I pinched it off, and you can see extra growth coming through. This is a really good one right here. Look at that. And I didn't want to do that either. I was like, no, I don't want to pinch it off. But you can see that when you do that, 2 more leaves are coming up, which means more flowers. So as painful as it was, look at this one. Look at how good that growth is right there from that point where I pinched it off. So we're going for more bushy plants so that I can have more branches so that we can have more flowers. That's the whole point. So I'm glad it worked because it hurt my heart a little bit. Now, if you can help me out and tell me, I don't know why these are doing this. I found this also on a couple of the other ones over there, but I'm wondering if like a rabbit maybe is coming in and hitting the leaves and that's why they're breaking like this. I don't know. Does that mean that there's like a bug that's eating it? I am unsure. So if you know, I would love for you to tell me. And I'm also wondering, should I pinch that off? I'm assuming yes, because why put energy to a dead leaf? So I think I will, but I guess put in the comments if you know, like, should I do that or should I not do that? I don't know. So anyways, I am very happy about what, hey, Kai, get out of there, buddy. We've had to train him to no longer go into these beds because I'm going to put flowers here. So these are hibiscus, 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 but I'm actually thinking I'm gonna put a hibiscus, a snapdragon, a hibiscus. Anyways, we'll get to all of that stuff tomorrow. My whole point of this little segment is just to show you how the dahlias are doing. And you guys, all but 2 of my tubers, all of those tubers I planted where I was like, you know what? I don't think these are gonna do really well. Some of these tubers looked awful. Some of the tubers had mold on them and they were super, super dry. All but 2 sprouted. I cannot believe it. Like, I'm so proud of them. This is the last one to have sprouted. My Thomas Edison, and you can see right there she is. Oh, so happy. So tomorrow we have a lot of planting that we're going to do. It's gonna be so much fun. I have also been collecting some planters. I got that at Big Lots. Everything at Big Lots was on sale. I got this little situation at our Kroger. I think they're so cute. I got those other these planters right here also at Big Lots, and everything was 20% off, even on clearance items. So very happy about that. But we're gonna go pick up dirt tomorrow, and then we're going to just start planting and getting everything in the ground. But I can't wait. I can't wait. Can you guys just picture and just imagine what this is gonna look like with just all of the dahlias sprouting? And I don't also know. So here's another thing I would love for you to comment on. Should I plant those? I was gonna do 4x4. I have those trellises that I'm gonna do long ways and long ways, and then be able to kind of, you know, put them up and stake them to that. That was my game plan, but now there's so many that I'm wondering if I should just do maybe 3x3 in this one and then 3x3 in this one, but I don't know. What do you guys think? My other thought was that if I do 4x4 and get 16 here in this side, that they would help hold each other up. It'll give them support. And I know Garden Answer, or no, not Garden Answer, Floret Farms, Erin from Floret Farms, she plants her dahlia 9 inches apart. So it's recommended to do 12, which Garden Answer does 12, but she does 9 because she says it helps them kind of stake each other up. So I don't know. That's kind of what I'm thinking, just because I don't have a lot of space back here, but I also want them to, you know, breathe and to bloom beautifully and really give them a good chance. So I'm thinking I might do 9 and 9, but I might also do 16 and 1. And then I have a few of the other tubers already potted up in the terracotta. So I might just leave them there. I don't know yet. I'm gonna think about it tonight and then kind of think about how I want to plant everything up. Tomorrow we're going to de-weed all of this here. We may or may not stake these up. These are all blackberries, and then we've also got a kiwi going right here. Isn't she pretty? So beautiful. So anyways, we're gonna start doing a little bit of de-weeding tomorrow, get all of this stuff planted up. We might do mulch tomorrow, we'll just have to kind of see. But tonight I'm gonna take the time to kind of create a game plan of what I want in these planters. If you remember from my seed planning video, we have 2 packets of flour mixes. I'm thinking, my gut is telling me I want some here and here, and then I might do one big one here. But I'm also wondering if I should just do my own pretty, like a whole bunch of different flowers in here and switch this up over time. Like every few weeks, maybe switch that planter into just, I don't know, something beautiful. Anyhow, this is where we're at. I'm very happy and I'm very excited, and I can't wait to show you guys how this area is going to get transformed. It's gonna be absolutely beautiful and I cannot wait. We'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.